Not even body can't find. Only come back.
You're too blood clot lie.
You know, sister, beard up with the pan come. Beard up with the pan the girl.
Only come alone come back from after that trip there. I know the girl did not come back. Alright, you say Kamika, good obia girl. Kamika one obia man dong a rich one, obia woman dong a rich man named mother. Me I ask nobody about that. I tell about that. Come a good obia girl. Say yeah, matter about Shana Chin. A Chin have him wife himself.
Zion.
That's why everything in pop up. Zion. That's why wife run from him baby mother.
Zion, you know, here she say,
Yo.
she go and pray. She go and pray, and then him go mad out worse than Britney. Cause I will be the girl I walk.
She go say, let me tell her what she go do. Let me tell you, she go and black sister up her yard right now. Any runnings, that sister that she go send go do it. Any runnings, she go and use one man royal, you know. So the niece mother.
Hold on, Zion. People on top of the live goal or top of the screen, please. Blame them, sister, please.
When you see come you know see come and dwell in a beer evil. You know see don't be print pan come face. You know see one look dark.
But you know here because when she call him, she don't. But
You see yard where you hear matter about? You see yard where you hear matter about? Me not live far from that. Come and build one room, bathroom and kitchen over 10 years and can't done. You see everything where you see sister and brother then do in mind them.
But cause said every time she call, she don't talk about the child. She don't talk about the child. All she talk about is hold on. And she even say
she love.
Zion, she all say yes, she said, and Shibada did call it out already. I'm not saying that Shibada speak all facts. But him say she love Obia. And cause she said she buy lime and blue and wash off cause that she know.
As she a hold down the blood clot little boy, a tie she a try tie the little boy in her dirty pussy. A tie she a try tie cause in her dirty pussy.
But all and the sister, the other little girl where she have, the other little daughter where she have, no stop beat her bad, run with every minute. A reaction I take her.
And where you
take her. Yes.
So your uncle come out and talk about it, Pitney can't take it pressure.
The little girl run out of the house all the while.
And that makes you not like the sister. That makes you not like the sister, because the sister always stand up for the Pitney. She not like the sister.
Be a science come take her blood clot money and buy. Be a science she buy with her money. And you can't go one little room and one bathroom.
Come say own him and his sister own home a foreign. No go say no. No go say no. Oh yeah, walk up and don't look work.
No, she's a what you call it?
Shit she clean.
Yeah.
She clean.
But
And
nothing wrong
you
with that.
clean shit and a science you take that the money there.
No, I don't say nothing wrong with that. When
Nothing wrong with that.
No wrong with that. No get me wrong.
She love to say she own business and she don't own no business. She love to talk about she own business and she don't own none. But you see the other sister, the sister she bad mind, you know. Everything the sister do, she do, and she can't run up in the sister's shoes because the sister try to work and put her money to use. Kamik, something like Kamik do a Jamaica, yeah. Oh no, Kamik wicked, so there.
But when you see come, you see she wicked. Look then, no makeup can hide the wickedness from the bitch. Them two come lip look like a two hand.
Alright, so here come talk about one when you want something the ring where she wear at the mother woman a rich man the come that to wear all
God ring.
Come love Obia, come love Obia. Me know the Obia woman.
But the ring then a come lip look like a gathering. You know see look like the ring lip bottom look like a gathering.
No, a gathering for true, a gathering.
All the something where she wear on her neck with a little girl picture on it.
A big dirty yard.
The stone.
That's why when me hear her getting a spirit, you know, me slide her off quick, you know.
But me tell you something.
See this a woman hear how she talk up in her language, you know.
Come.
Hey.
Come. The little boy I did about 17, 18 when come meet the little boy. Now get no fuck nothing at all. And you end up on your breed. Just make your boy deal with him pitney. She don't want that. She want the boy. And the boy you want. She don't want, because she don't want nothing for the boy to the pitney. You know, because let me tell you something. One not understand. You see your sister? You see your sister and none of them will mind the child. I tell you that. Our family will mind that pitney.
So she as a mother. As a mother, I come look like she have name cigarette ashes and she a chew and coke. Go a boca then teeth, go get your blood clot mouth clean, go take out the rotten teeth, them out of your mouth, come. The lady have special sat, they come in, go clean out your mouth, come. Go get your teeth clean, come, your mouth dirty and you there work science. Don't work no science, go get your mouth work pan. Go pamper your mouth as a mother blood clot sat, they come in here, get blood clot discount. Go clean your mouth and leave science and leave little boy alone, we're tired of you. We're tired of you, come, go clean out your dirty mouth. When you see the code, they scan it and go get no blood clot teeth clean. Go clean out your mouth, come. In your mouth want a blood clot revolution. Look how when you're talking, your mouth look white. Clean out your mouth, man. Big dirty man like you, they are chew and cigarette. Yeah, chew pan cigarette, yeah, chew pan the blood clot cigarette ashes, yeah, chew pan coke. When you're talking, your mouth look like blood clot washing machine when it has spin with soap powder. Stop it, man. Big 40-year-old woman, you come take up one 17-year-old and you breathe for him. And you want time up in your accent wall.
He was at 20, not true? No, I'm at 20, because I'm at 20.
Yeah. No accent hole, come. The little boy don't want no accent hole. Go get your mouth clean. Go and clean out your mouth. Clean out in your mouth before you run down, man. Leave the man thing alone and clean your mouth, you big woman. All when you know I get special about the science, you don't want to go
people them. You see what you do? You see what you are doing, blame them, sister. You cannot clear the atmosphere because people is not listening. They are only depend loud the woman. They are not listening. The youth say him the young and because not get no front and him get two big woman front, him want to show off just like when friend and used to show off. Instant on big man now and he left out of that situation. Then you know them amongst them boy they were used to boast and them have to do the same thing. He want to be a part-time picnic like but to come no talk about man and shut and this and that.
Bad man me fuck.
Yeah, but when she call him, she don't call him to talk about the child.
No, she don't call him to talk about the child.
She want to talk about who are old and who. She want to talk about who, yeah.
You ever see girl put on them clothes, their yard clothes, go in a party, go stand up just to see come. That's how we I do over you. So do put on yard clothes, go in a party, come a party, come a drag queen. Oi, me and my daughter that ice cream place already in Anatabia. And when me and my daughter stand up, she having some whole heap of red, green and gold here. Here my daughter give out, she did small. Mommy, I wish clown that. That's why me turn on and me look him no bumbo clot. And him bleach out white, you know, like a one dish, you know, like a one curtain, you know, white curtain, you know. Hear me no to rascal to come that. Don't call him so. Come here him good after go cut me in my mouth or what you call me love me knife. Don't call him so, but it's a girl who love bully, go on like she can fight and bully people. Yeah, so
then you know here she talk, she say if cause no mad like Brittany, she know she blood clot name.
Yeah, man, never find out. Never find out if you obey a woman a rich man dead. If you obey a woman a rich man not dead, I straight over there my sending your sister. That girl will you know. I don't like me I tell you, you know, I pass me a car.
She better say not take up the shade no more. I think for now one, you know, you know, she better say you know, the shade no more car shade. And Tiki says that too. Tiki says she leave somebody husband alone, shade done. Shade done and now they not take up the shade.
But if you go how can you uphold with somebody where your ear say blood clot touch a little baby? Come on, man. You see when it commands to a baby them.
But blame them, sister, but hold on. Them something they are serious allegation, you know. Them something they are
Serious.
but hold on, there is no them never bring no evidence. Come, we have to think about logics now.
A common sense tell you, you know.
No, it's
Where
not
where
common
that
sense,
come
baby.
out?
People,
Anything
listen,
later
first
that we
and
say
foremost,
now.
listen to what Memphis said. The people them said them call the school, and the school say yes, it's true, but there was no screen recording of that. Media over Big Links Lisa live when them called the school, the same school, and the school said nothing don't go. So that is a big allegation. Them a put on Queenie and them a put on the school. You cannot do those things without evidence.
Chloe.
That is
Then to
hearsay.
everybody,
Hold on, Chloe.
Chloe.
Yes, when it comes to it, picking them always a keep up. You remember the Jesse Repal incident what year with the little level with the grade 6 little boy and the grade 1 baby? Where the school tell the mother say, do not talk to the little girl about it, she will forget it. Them not even they do a public to know about it. So girl, they somebody come on to it, picking them.
Blame them, Isha. I understand that.
Standards,
But still, they did not come with any facts though. They did not come with any evidence. That is wrong to put them kind of allegation upon somebody. Me never.
They do that to Queenie if it never goes so.
So why is it that they said that they call and the school tell them yes, but then somebody else call with the screen recording and the
school
school
give out
said
that
no.
information.
So why did they say that the school said yes though?
The school will not give out that information.
So why did they say that the school said yes?
Lie them a tell. One man, we never see one man secretary. Lie them a tell. We believe.
Why was there no screen recording of the people them saying yes, it's true?
Because we never sure, so they ain't go there.
I'm that girl right there, so that's why you don't hear me tell you say what year with the Jesse Repal incident that happened in high school and nobody would know if the mother never go out there and make we know. And
So
the school still not giving news, no argument.
Hold on, so the mother come out and say something in a Queenie situation, it's a prep school, and I think so the mother would have come out and say something too. And a big riot of people them with money that, you know, they would have come out.
Yes, because this is the internet, Chloe. Not all mothers are going to come and do that because at the end of the day, you know, them have to protect them the same way.
So why they never bring down Queenie? Why them never bring down Queenie?
We know now.
Why them never bring down Queenie? Why them never bring down Queenie?
People not drink their soup when it hot, sometimes it better when it cool.
Hold on. A lot of people say them always over Queenie live, and Queenie students them come and ask for her. Queenie students them come and ask for her. What point that make?
They are big people, them the Queenie did that teach.
Listen, look how long Queenie left teaching. Listen, ladies, on when it come to them something
Look
there.
here, alright, what make Queenie would have go? Alright, for sweet justice, why Queenie would have go America? And left America, Ghana, Belgium. Left all of them prime minister, they were in live side. All of them good life, they run away. Ghana, America, and left America, Ghana, Belgium. Ghana, sit down with Shane at working.
But the allegations never happen in America, so why should I run it from America? And it never happened in America. If it never come out in Jamaica, why should I run from America?
No, it happened in America. She left Jamaica and gone America because of it. As when me hear them
so why she leave Belgium? Why she leave America? Guys, ladies, you just feel like say because I don't like her, I'm not gonna take it up and believe.
Chloe,
just like how me not like this, I believe it.
Are you me come back? Because how can somebody live the life of a president in a Jamaica and take up and say gun somewhere is gonna go batter? Make it make sense. Who are gonna run from good? For nothing.
So what you say? Because you know like come, that's why you talk them for the
because me jump off for this, you know.
Ladies, first and foremost, I don't have no evidence that Queenie touch anybody.
No,
I don't say that. The only reason when I have a mob mentality, the only reason why I not say that is because everybody has said that. That's the only reason why I not say that. No proof.
Because first of all,
Sky Diamond record everything.
Queen and Shay realize from the allegation, Queen is a total change somebody. Queen
and let me tell you something, ladies. All of us can disagree with something. We don't have to disrespect me. We can disagree.
No, nobody can disrespect nobody today. No, man, no disrespect.
We can disagree. That is why it means social media.
That's true. Because you have your own opinion. That's true.
Everybody is entitled to them opinion. Let me tell you something. You see, me don't like Destiny. Me don't like Destiny, and me believe say Destiny touch him like a brother, and there's no evidence. And I really have to take back myself and say, no evidence not there. So all me I go just believe things where people say.
Evidence say that you not see.
Where
Evidence
so you
say
see it?
evidence
You see
say
it?
you not see.
Did you
A
see it?
Spanish list of me a Destiny come from the same hometown. You know Destiny from Destiny is a man around me. I want to brother
James, a
them get
Manchester
out
lane I come
blood
from.
clot. When they
A
find out
Manchester
say
lane
my
I come
batty
from, Spanish
boy,
Town.
what ties spend to be exact.
Capture land.
When I
Capture land, yes. My
ask you.
grandmother used to live at Capture land.
Oh. But they say
Right back
you
at the
not see.
cemetery.
But
Destiny
they
do
say
the
you not
thing
see
for
baby
you.
love. But
Destiny do
it
it
out
for
there.
you.
But they say
Say
you
them
not see,
a do
but it's
thing
out there,
for
Chloe.
you.
It's out there. But they
Me
say you
feel
not
like
see.
so whether mother to Queen is very that not right. No
And if you
evidence not come
come
out.
down,
Sky
if you
Diamond says she
come
called the
down,
school and the school say
Oh,
yes.
oh, Chloe, when
And
Queen
there's
went
no
out,
But
screen
hold on
recording.
there. We not go stick on Shane, but hold on, let me ask you something, Chloe. The little baby when she show what they are in the park and the baby when mother then show say a Shay baby. How she do with two baby?
Bad to bad. She's a liar because first and
What hold on
foremost,
now, hold on,
she
you
thief
can't say
Britney
she a
money.
liar now. Remember now we know hold on, you can't
But
say
that
she a
don't have anything to
liar.
do with Queenie. That
Hold
don't have anything
on.
to do with Queenie touching somebody.
Wait now. We want to know if she